Hey, it's Jack here. Today we're exploring southern Nevada. To be exact, we're about 20 miles south of the Welcome to Las Vegas sign and 18 miles north of Primm, Nevada. Today we're going to explore Seven Magic Mountains. Seven Magic Mountains is an art exhibit created by Ugo Rondinone. This came up in 2016, was supposed to last for 2 years till 2018. Here we are in 2021. It's still standing, it's still going strong. To get to this location, from the Las Vegas sign comes south. You could stay on Las Vegas Boulevard or take I-15 and get off at Sloan and follow the signs. It's real easy. They've got the brown signs up saying Seven Magic Mountains. Just follow those signs. And the same way coming up from Primm, Nevada, you'll want to come in, exit at Jean, and follow the signs from Jean. It's a little hazy today due to the fires in California, and the wind's blowing the smoke this way. As you enter the exhibit, you'll come across this sign. It talks about the artist and the installation, how it opened in May 2016. Also references the website, and there's also, for deeper engagement, call that phone number and you can do an audio tour.
Nevada Museum of Art and Art Production Fund welcome you to Seven Magic Mountains. For further engagement and online education resources, please visit sevenmagicmountains.com.
Call the number a couple times and same results. So not sure if the number's down, not being monitored anymore, or what the deal is, but calling the phone number, got nothing. So wish I could share with you more on what the phone would do, but I can say it's not working, and this is on a Saturday. This is a free exhibit with free parking. Now, I read about how there'll be scammers sometimes in the parking lot that will charge you to say, hey, there's premium parking right over here. They'll take your money and you're just parking in a free spot. So be aware of that. I did not experience that today, but apparently that happens out here. So be careful when you come out here. It's free. Free parking, free exhibit, free everything. There's these signs that line the path that say there may be venomous snakes in the area. Please stay on the path. So make sure you do that when you come out here. It's not too hard to stay on the pathway here. You can see how wide it is with these folks walking along. Walking around the exhibit, I just can't get over how many people are just throwing masks on the ground. This is disgusting. Right, there's one over here. Go over here, there's one there. There's more out there, just blowing all around. It's pretty disgusting. And considering just about 50 yards that way is a large dumpster where you could just walk over there and dump your mask. It doesn't make any sense to me, except people just being lazy. If you come out here, make sure to dump your trash in the garbage bin and not on the ground, because this is just, there's no excuse for this. Keep in mind, even though there's a dumpster out here for your trash, there aren't any public restrooms. Closest restrooms to the south is in Jean at the hotel and a gas station there, and to the north is at a gas station in Sloan. And here we are, Seven Magic Mountains. These are stone. They're about 30 feet tall, roughly, give or take. We can see here for people who have constructed their own mini version of the seven Magic Mountains. However, in this frame, there's only 2. So there's 2 self-made, small 7 Magic Mountains. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Ugo Rondinone's sculpture of 7 Magic Mountains here in southern Nevada. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. We'll catch you on the next one.